we are discussing regarding the volume theory, which will be very useful for our intraday trading or holding position or delivery or whatever it is. So how much percentage we can make with this volume theory? That is one important rule. So everyone knows that if there is volume, something is going to happen. But adi ela mana vaadali, how to use it anisi we have to discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
One quick question, Andy. Are you considering the delivery volume also?
That is very important. Delivery volume is very important.
Okay.
సో అప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ మనం ఏదైనా ఒక 2-3 స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఇండివిజువల్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్ గురించి జస్ట్ మాట్లాడితే మనం విల్ ట్రై టు వర్క్ ఆన్ దట్ సో దట్ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ క్లూ. సో దట్ క్లూ విల్ గివ్ సమ్ ఆన్సర్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద టార్గెట్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే. సో డే బై డే వెన్ వి స్టార్ట్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్,
స్మాల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అయినా పెద్ద స్క్రిప్ట్ అయినా సేమ్ అండి,
అన్ని సేమ్ అండి. అదే చెప్తున్నాను నేను, అది ఒకటి చెప్తాను. అది అందుకోసం నేను చెప్పేది ఏమంటే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హ్యావ్ అ సేమ్ పొటెన్షియల్. ఇప్పుడు హార్ట్ బీట్ అనేది ఏజ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఒకటే, చిన్న పిల్లలకి ఒకటే. కానీ సైజ్ ఫాస్ట్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ద ఏజ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సేమ్ వే సేమ్ ఇండివిజువల్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్, స్మాల్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్ హ్యావ్ మోర్ బీటా వాల్యూ. బిగర్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్, ఐ మీన్ వెయిటేజ్ ఉన్న స్క్రిప్ట్స్ కి బీటా వాల్యూ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో మనం అదే ఆలోచించుకుని చేసుకున్నప్పటికీ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ మోర్ క్లూ.
1-2 స్క్రిప్ట్లు అడగొచ్చా ఇప్పుడు?
చెప్పండి సార్, ఏదో ఒకటి. అందుకోసం ఇప్పుడు మామూలుగా ఏదో చెప్పడానికి
ఇంటరాక్షన్ లాగా. ఓకే. ఐఎస్ఎంటి సార్
అండి,
ఐఎస్ఎంటి.
సో బిఫోర్ దట్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒకటి చెప్తానండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది చూసే స్క్రీన్ లో వస్తుందా మీకు? ఇప్పుడు ఇది కొటాక్ మహేంద్ర బ్యాంక్, ఇది స్క్రీన్ లో కనపడుతుందా?
అండి, క్లియర్ గా ఉంది.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఊరికే జస్ట్ డిస్కషన్ గురించి చేద్దాం. దీంట్లో పొరపాట్లు ఉంటాయి, కానీ దాని మీద మనం వర్క్ చేసేటప్పటికి మనం విల్ గెట్ సమ్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు నేను తీసుకున్నది ఇక్కడ తెలుస్తుందా మీకు? హైలో తెలుస్తుందా అని? ఈ క్యాండిల్, బిగ్గెస్ట్ క్యాండిల్, గ్రీన్ క్యాండిల్, 21st
2155.
Yeah, 2155. Low 128 rupees up 600% plus. సో మనం అందరూ ఏం చేస్తామంటే వాల్యూమ్ తో పెరిగింది మళ్ళీ పెరుగుతుంది అనేసి ఒకటి. దట్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ అండ్ క్లియర్. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ వాల్యూమ్ వేసాడు. ఆ రోజు యావరేజ్ వాల్యూమ్ యూజువల్ గా 2.84 మిలియన్ ఉండాలి యావరేజ్ వాల్యూమ్. కొటాక్ మహేంద్ర బ్యాంక్ రోజుకి యావరేజ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఇన్ క్యాష్ మార్కెట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి అరౌండ్ 2.8 million. దట్ ఈస్ అరౌండ్ 3 crores. ఓకే. కానీ ఆ రోజు మనకి ఇక్కడ జరిగింది వచ్చి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 9.5 crores. సారీ 28 lakhs ఉండాలి. 28 lakhs ఉండాలి, కానీ ఆ రోజు 95 lakhs జరిగింది.
ఓకే,
అర్థమైందండి? సో ఏమంటే యాక్చువల్ వాల్యూమ్ మీద 3.5 times ఎక్కువ పెరిగింది వాల్యూమ్.
రైట్ అండి.
ఓకే.
సో ద వాల్యూమ్ హ్యాడ్ ఇంక్రీస్డ్ బై 300% from the average volume. So that means something is happening in this company script. So the price is up, so we connect some more upside. Correct?
So you are taking a 20-day average volume, right?
Yeah, 20-day average volume.
Okay.
No, you can have it as 30-day, whatever it is. See, thing is, we need some milestone, that's all. To calculate something, we need some milestone. Either it is 20
in this example, we are taking a 20-day average.
Yeah, correct. 20-day, 30-day, whichever you, here it is 20 days. Okay. And on this particular day, Kotak Mahindra 200 average, this is very important. Why I am coming to this part. What is the 200 average? It is 1826.
Right.
Everyone, if possible, write in a paper in your working, something like that. So 1826 is the 200 average, and that day's high is 2155. So almost 330 rupees up. Got my point?
No, sir. Please repeat and show in the chart.
No, ఇక్కడ చూస్తే చార్ట్ లో ఇక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది రేట్ 1000. ఈ లైన్ వచ్చి 200 యావరేజ్ అండి, మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్, సింపుల్ మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్.
Yes.
సో దట్ డే సింపుల్ మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ ఇస్ 1826.78.
Okay, right.
And the price high is 2155 on that day,
Right.
on 21st
Right.
October. Okay. Now you see the difference from 200-day average and the price. It is almost 340
Right.
rupees.
Right.
Venkat garu, అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yeah.
Yes.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఇది 200, I mean sorry, 300 something అంటే almost 1800 అంటే it is 20% roughly.
Yes.
So heavy weight like this. Now we want to
Okay.
go and see here what is the market capitalization of Kotak Bank. Here it is 3.5 lakhs. You can see.
Okay. Yes.
So this is one big company actually. Okay.
Yes.
So with the full of weightage. So this type of companies usually don't move more than 25% from their 200 average.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Venkat garu, అర్థమైందా నేను చెప్పింది? Type of
అర్థమైంది.
companies not move more than 25% from the 200 average at any part of day.
Yes.
So that
Okay.
will become one resistance.
Okay.
And then from there, it have to correct towards 200 average. The fall may be 5%, 8%, 10%, that is different. That we can go to a different analysis. But usually whenever it is 25%, 30% above the 200 average, even if it is very bullish also, avoid buying.
Okay.
Okay. Now well, let us see here. On this day, it is like this. Next, because this day volume is 3 times than average volume. So next
Okay.
day, price went up to 2201 high,
Okay.
but the volume is only 60 lakhs. Previous day 95 lakhs. So with low
Okay.
volume, it went up. Got my point?
Yes.
Yes.
And then the very next day, it was a doji, and the volume was 67 lakhs.
Okay.
And on the next day, I mean on 26th October, again the volume was 10.5 lakhs. I mean, sorry, 1 crore.
So it is above average.
Yeah, above 3 times above the average. Average volume is 36 lakhs. In this day, it was around 1 crore 6 lakhs.
Okay.
But the price is 2,240, and the 200 average is 1830. So now exactly 410 points above the 200 average.
Yes.
Okay.
So that means this much only it can pull usually because of this heavy weight. Even if you watch for Reliance, if you watch for Infosys, if you watch for TCS or Hindustan Lever or anything, it will not move more than 25% above the 200 average. Very rarely, due to any bad news or good news on that particular day, it may move another 5-7%, but it will immediately come down. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the very next day, on 27th October, it is 45 lakhs and the rates are coming down.
Mhm.
Okay. Rates are coming
Yes.
down on this day. And on 28th, 1 minute. So every time when the volumes are very high, it may move a little and it will correct. Okay.
Okay.
So I think now it is little bit clear like that. Exactly next to 3 days with low volume, it came down up to 2015, almost 230 rupees down.
Hmm.
More than 10% in 3 days. would anyone thought of Kotak correcting when it was showing all-time high at 2,240? No. But just in 3 days, it came down. And these 3 days also, it came down with a very low volume. That's why it again bounced back up to 2,127. Now
Okay.
again it came down. So now already it broke the 200 average. It is around 1,857. So usually one thing you should remember, any heavyweight, whichever is below 200 average, it may climb up to 200 average. Now here things are clear. 200 average is 1840. Okay.
Yes.
Now my immediate target for Kotak Mahindra in a week time frame, it will definitely touch 1840 levels. So another 40 rupees or 45 rupees upside is there.
Okay.
Got my point? So this is the way the markets are moving. So now in my view, I tell this 200 day is a big magnet. Okay. Whenever it is far away from the 200 average, it will try to pull the price towards the 200 average. And whenever the prices are very low, below the 200 average, it will pull it towards the 200 average. This is one cycle it's happening. You can go and see any chart, you'll get all these answers. And here in this money control itself, they are giving volume analysis, delivery volume. Whenever you see a very high delivery volume week or something, if the prices are down, again it will be down. If the prices are up, it will go up. So how much upside? For heavyweights, 3 to 5%. Whereas small scrips with the market capitalization less than 1,000 or less than 5,000 crore, the move will be 15%. That is why many of the scripts move 10 to 15% in a week time frame, that small cap or anything like that.
Right.
Now you got my point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is the way it moves. It may be for intraday or intra-week or intra-month, anything like that.
Okay.
So now I am asking you, ఇంతవరకు మీరు ఈ టైప్ లో ఎప్పుడైనా అనలైజ్ చేసి చూసారా ఎవరైనా?
No.
So
No,
does it make
we
sense
don't check
for-
volumes.
Huh?
I don't check volumes, so
No,
I never did
does it
that.
make sense? ఇది బాగుందా లేదా?
Yeah, it's good.
To certain extent it is good, and to
Yes.
మనం వచ్చి కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఇది మానిటర్ చేసేటప్పటికి we'll get some clue, extra clue. Okay, now everyone will tell head and shoulder pattern after this broke this neckline 1925, it will come down. So it came down to 1750. So it is all there. I agree with everything, but before that, where it will start correcting, nobody knows. But if you use this 200 average and weightage of the script, then we can come to know some clear targets. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts andi Venkat garu?
No doubts, Andy.
Sir, ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా స్క్రిప్ట్ చెప్పారండి, ఏదో చెప్పండి, జస్ట్ ఎనీ అదర్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్.
ISMT.
ఎంటీయా? యా. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలంటే ఈ నేమ్ అసలు నేను కాదు, ఎవరు వినపడ్డారో తెలీదు.
Right. But recommended at 45 rupees.
ఓకే, అది చెప్తాను నేను. అది కూడా నా నాలెడ్జ్ ఏముందో నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకే.
Right. Thank you.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇది మనం వేసుకుంటే ఇది వస్తుంది. ఇందులో మనం చూసుకోవాల్సింది 20-day యావరేజ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఇస్ 9,90,000. సే 10 lakhs.
Right.
Yesterday's volume is 3 lakhs.
Okay.
That means very less volume yesterday.
Yes.
So yesterday it is a negative candle.
Right.
One thing. So that means with less volume it came down. So
Right.
chances of going up once again. Okay. And before this big red candle, no?
Right.
On that day, average volume is 10 lakhs. But on that day, 18 lakhs was the total volume.
Okay.
So double the volume, it went a new high and reversed.
Okay.
That means high is almost done.
Yes.
Got my point? With this theory, I'm telling you. Personally, I don't know anything about this script. With this theory,
Right.
like this. Okay. Now let us see what is going to happen in the coming days.
Right.
So we got all these things. Average volume is 10 lakhs. Yesterday it was only 3 lakhs. So now let us see the 200-day moving average. 200-day average is 26.8.
Right.
Okay. And 5 days average is 67.
Right.
10 days is 64.45.
Right.
Now it is below this 5 days average.
Right.
So lot of chances it may come below 10 days average and 20 days average also.
Okay.
Down. It may continue downside and it break 20 days average. That is 57.
Okay.
Once if it breaks at 57, lot of
Right.
potential to reach 42.
Okay.
So this is one pattern. I'm not telling 100%, lot of chances.
Right, right,
If you observe
right.
the volume act, everything we have to see. Okay. And now
Right. Right.
200 average is 27.
Yes.
As I told you, this script market capitalization is just 900 crores,
Yes.
less than 1000 crores. That too, in
Yes.
this rate, if it is 26, it will be only 300 crores, correct?
Yes.
So already these type of scripts, we can't believe whether it will give a bigger rally or it will correct and come back to its previous rates where it was around 17 rupees, 15 rupees some in June or something. That we
Right.
don't know. So we should be very cautious in these type of scripts. We may get 100% returns or 150% returns, but if you don't book our profit, and we'll get
Yes.
profit. So
Right.
this volume theory will give. So always you see 200 average is 27, and these type of scripts, as I told you, it may go 100% or 150%, 200% also. So these type of scripts, 200 average won't work much because this average volume previously, when it was trading around 10, 20 rupees and all, it is just 2 lakhs or 1 lakh only every day. So there is no people inside this. So this type of thing, volume analysis will give a small comfortness. But in my
Right.
view,
Right.
whenever it breaks the 5 days average from the high, be caution. If it breaks 20
Okay.
days, you should be very caution. It may come to 50 days average also. And sometimes it may
Okay.
come to 200 average, that is 27 also.
Okay. Okay.
Got my point, sir?
Right, sir.
So,
Very good. Very good.
ఇది వచ్చి సింపుల్ అనాలిసిస్ అండి. ఇది మీరు
Right,
10 స్క్రిప్ట్ కాదు 100 స్క్రిప్ట్లు చూస్తే మీకు యూ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ ఐడియాస్.
Right. Right.
So like this, every day happening, whatever it is happening, we don't want to see the price only. We should need to see the
Volume.
volume and whether it is closing below the average of that day. For example,
Okay.
the closing rate is at 64.8 and VWAP on that day is 66.23 here.
2, 3. Yes.
So
Yes.
that
Yes.
means it is closed below the 200-day average in spite of Sensex up by 500 points. What does it mean? If the market is up, this have to go up.
Okay. Okay.
But market yesterday was more than 400-500 points up. And
Okay.
this is down.
Right. Right.
Means we can expect some more correction. So it may come to 57 or 56 or something like that in a day or,
Okay.
or 1 week or 10 days. So these type
Right.
of scripts, we should be very careful and we should go with very low volume only investment or whatever it is.
Right.
Got my point?
Actually, sir, suddenly he changed from equity to trade from yesterday.
That is what I'm telling. These type of things will happen and we will get caught.
Okay.
So my view is we can avoid these type of scripts. If at all, we can go with just 50 shares, 100 shares or 2,000, maximum 500 shares, not with 10,000, 20,000 shares. We may get doubled, but once
Okay,
if we
right.
get caught, it may take some years to come out for cost.
Okay.
Okay. Venkat garu, any other script చెప్పండి sir? Hello?
వెంకట్ సార్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అంటే చెప్పండి.
సారీ, నేను మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నట్లు ఉన్నాను, చూడలేదు.
పర్లేదు.
ఇది ఇండెక్స్ కూడా చూడొచ్చా మనం?
చూడొచ్చు, బట్ అందులో వచ్చి నిఫ్టీ వాల్యూమ్స్ మన ఫ్యూచర్స్ మన దీంట్లో నుంచి బాగా నుంచి చూడాలి.
Okay, okay,
అది
okay.
చూసుకున్నా కూడా మీకు కొన్ని ఐడియాస్ వస్తాయి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాను నేను ఇప్పుడు నిఫ్టీ ఇది ఎందుకంటే why I went for this money control అంటే it is easy for everyone.
Okay.
Available freely to everyone, right?
ఇక్కడ మూవింగ్ యావరేజెస్ అని ఉందండి.
Bullish. Yes.
ఇప్పుడు 200-day మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ 16,348.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు 18,600 వెళ్ళింది కదా హై.
అవును సార్.
ఆ డేట్ మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ ఫర్ నిఫ్టీ వాస్ ఇది 18,000 వెళ్ళే రోజు 200-day moving average was 15,690. Okay.
Okay.
15,700. So it went up to 18,600, almost 3,000 points. So for 15,000 to 20% is around 3,000 points. So Nifty was above 18% on that day, above 200 average. This is 200 average, green line.
Yes, sir.
So Nifty cheppinattu heavyweight annapudiki it can't move more than 10 to 15% above average usually. It have to correct and then again it will move.
Okay.
So andukosame aa roju nunchi just a matter of 5-7 days it came to 17,650. 1,000 point correction. Got my point? So
Yes,
whenever things are very high from the 200 average, it will correct very fast. That is one simple answer.
Okay.
Then it went up to 18,400. Even that day 200 average was around 16,000. So then also it was around 16%. That's why it corrected up to 16,850 first. Then again it went up, it came down. Now 200 average is 16,400 as per yesterday's closing. Okay.
Okay.
So Nifty have a potential to move at least 10% from the average also. So that's why yesterday it came a low of 16,400 and now it is 1,000 points up. We may expect another 300-200 points upside also from here.
Okay.
From there again it will correct. The correction may be up to 16,750 or 800. So suppose if you take a sell here, even if it goes to 17,700 also, by end of the settlement, it may come below 16,850 levels, sure.
Okay, okay.
I am talking about the broader thing. Every day it keeps on changing. So that is why we are sitting in front of the screen every day, analyzing everything. So these things are basic things what we forgot to see. For this only I asked everyone, how much rice you can eat for a meal? 1 plate, 2 plate. We can't take more than that. So same way Nifty also can't move 50% above the 200 average. 200 average is the capacity. What is the average capacity of Nifty? So above the capacity it may go up 10 to 15% only. If it is above 20%, it will come down. That is the nature. Got my point?
Right.
So same day, Bank Nifty when it went up to 41,810, 200 average was 35,150. So almost 650 points, 20% up. That's why it corrected. You can check wherever Bank Nifty is about 20% in recent times, below or above, the move will be very fast. If it is above 200 average, it will come down 200 below. I mean, it will come down correct fast. If it is down, it will climb fast. Now, Bank Nifty's 200 average as of today is 35,842. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, 200 average. So tomorrow or day after, maybe we can expect the bank nifty will break that level, 35,850 levels somewhere.
Okay.
Got my point? So
Yes, sir.
above 200 average, again, it have a potential to move 10 to 20%. But now the sentiments are very weak. So once again, it have to correct. So in my view, it will falsely break out above the 200 average, maybe around 100, 200 points, then it will correct. So again, once again, for this settlement, I expect Nifty and Bank Nifty will come down nearby the lows, last December lows, nearby.
ఆల్రెడీ బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ 200 మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ కన్నా కిందే ఉందండి.
కింద ఉంది, అదే చెప్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ టచ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ డౌన్ వస్తుంది.
ఓకే.
If it is bullish, it will not break 200 average. It will touch 200 average and it will go up. If it is weak, from down it will touch 200 average and again it will come down.
ఓకే.
ఇది ప్యాటర్న్ అండి, keeps on changing. అందుకోసం మనం we have to watch every day.
ఓకే.
I am giving a longer time frame. Generally, how to calculate? In this calculation, మన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తో మనం ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎలాగా అనేసి మనం చూసేటప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేది 20 ఉండొచ్చు, మీరు బ్యాక్ టెస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇట్ మే బి 22% or 18%, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఇస్. సో సంథింగ్ ఇస్ దర్.
ఎస్.
సో దీనికోసమే నేను చెప్పేది ఏమంటే వెలాసిటీ అంటాను. ఇప్పుడు చూసుకుంటే ఇక్కడి నుంచి పెరిగిందండి ఆన్ 28 కూడా కాదు, ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే 21st జూన్ నుంచి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 5 months, October 25th వరకు బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ పెరిగింది. From 35,000 to
41. Right.
But within 1 month, 1.5 months, it came to 35, below that level. So
Yes.
the move was very slow, but up. The correction was very fast, and the time frame is very less. So ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఒక మూవ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇప్పుడు ISMT ఏదో చెప్పారు కదా, అది కూడా ఇప్పుడు మూవ్ వచ్చి ఫ్రమ్ 30 రూపీస్ నుంచి 80 రూపీస్ వరకు ఒక 6 months లో పెరిగితే, ఆ 80 రూపీస్ నుంచి 30 కాదు, అట్లీస్ట్ 40 వరకు విదిన్ 2 months వస్తుంది, 1 month వస్తుంది.
Right. Yes. So down move is very fast.
Very fast. 1/3 of the time frame of the up move.
Right.
ఇది వచ్చి మీరు ఎక్కడ చూసుకున్నా ఉంటుంది ఆన్సర్. సో నేనంటే I used to cross check these type of things for a very long time, and I'm getting very good this thing. Okay.
Return.
సో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఆలోచించే ఇంకా 1 minute లో ఇది కట్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటాను, అంతే 30 minutes కదా. సో సపోజ్ ఇదే మనం ఇంకో వీడియోలో మనం జాయిన్ చేద్దాం. హౌ వాస్ ద థింగ్ సార్? హౌ యు లైక్డ్ ఇట్?
Fine, sir. చాలా బాగుందండి.
ఓకే, విల్ కనెక్ట్ వన్స్ అగైన్. సో మండే నుంచి నేను మోస్ట్లీ లైవ్ గా వస్తాను.